to upgrade or downsize from your current home in time for the holidays, but are worried about losing that awesome interest rate that you got a couple years ago? You're not alone. A lot of people worry about going into a different property, even if it's smaller, and then getting a higher monthly mortgage payment. But there's a solution. We helped Charlene and Steve purchase their new home, and we did exactly what they needed to do so that they had more space, but a very similar mortgage payment. How did we do it? I'll tell you. Remember that when you're buying a house, you're negotiating two things. You're negotiating price and terms. In this particular case, because it's the end of the year, sellers were a little bit more lenient because they're not getting that traffic that they usually get during the springtime. So the seller was able to provide us a 6% credit, basically a seller concession of 6% of the purchase price that Charlene and Steve were able to use to buy down the interest rate on their new home. Bottom line, they were able to get more space, a very similar monthly mortgage payment, and since they didn't want to sell their current home, they were able to transition to the new place without having to rush. What happened next? Many things. Amongst them, that they turned their previous home into a rental producing property, which now generates them passive income. So all in all, it was a win-win. They got more space, they got passive income from their first property, and they were able to move into a bigger place with a very similar mortgage payment. If you want to do the same, call us. We're here to help. SoFlo Real Estate Group, 954-471-5982. We're able to help you in English and in Spanish to create the perfect space for you and your family anywhere in South and Central Florida. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.